Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this circular animation in Canva. I'm going to keep this tutorial very beginner friendly so that someone who is very new to Canva can learn it. But before we move forward, please subscribe to this channel because in this channel I post regular tutorials on designing with tools like Canva and Figma to help you level up your creative skills and make awesome designs. First, open Canva, go to Elements and search Quarter Circle. Then make 4 copies of the circle and rotate them accordingly. Now again go to Elements and search Ottoman Trees. Choose a suitable picture and adjust it. Then again go to Elements and search Winter Tree. Choose a photo and then adjust it accordingly. Now search Spring Trees and choose a photo you like. Let's try Spring Green. Yeah, this one is nice. Let's choose this one and adjust it accordingly. Now for the final slide, search Summer Trees. Now select all 4 quarter circles and click Group. Increase their size and rotate them. Now let's bring them on the side of the slide. I think the gap between the photos is a little bit bigger. Let's reduce the gap. Then repeat the process again. Now go to Elements and search a circle. Change the color of the circle according to the photo. Let's adjust the size of the circle. Change the background color of the slide. Now as you can see, I have already created the 4 posters you can see down below. Let's copy the text from there. The font is Futura. Choose the font Futura for the headline. Now duplicate the page and rotate the image. Now adjust the image accordingly. Now let's change the color of the circle and the background. Again, copy the text from the slides I have already made. Now let's duplicate this page. Now we will repeat the same process again. First, we'll rotate the picture and adjust its size. Then we will change the color of the circle and background. The color of the background must match the color of the image. Then again copy the text from the slides I have already made and paste it. Then duplicate the page again. First we rotate the image, adjust the size of the image. Then we copy the text. And finally, we change the color of the circle and the background. This one is a little bit lighter. Now add transition between pages. Choose match and move and set the duration to 1.4 seconds and apply between all pages. And we're set. If you loved the tutorial, hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments which tutorial should I make next. See you another day with another tutorial.